Yeah, get into it. What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be vlogging myself making what did they call it? Cajun fettuccine. I saw it on TikTok. So, you know, if it's on TikTok and they made it gotta be good. Y'all gotta trust TikTok. That's on me. Anyways, so welcome to my channel, Life with Brit, and this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be vlogging with my cousin and my brother. I'm going to be vlogging this of me cooking the food. So let's get straight into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's go. So I just got my new camera, y'all, so don't be on me. Don't be on me, because I'm learning how to place and hold the camera. Come on. So we got our chicken and our ½ pound of shrimp. So of course, you know, you gotta clean that joint. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse off our chicken. If you don't rinse off your chicken, you're nasty, and that's on me. Yeah, we're gonna get all this fat off of here because I do not like fat on chicken. I don't know if that's y'all, I don't know if it's just me or y'all don't like it either, but I hate having fat on chicken. See? Just nasty. I don't see how people eat the fat, because I know I can't. And the fat just come right off, so it ain't that big of a exposure. Okay, so we're just gonna rinse it off. And then we're gonna set it over here on the cutting board, so it can get cut up. And then we're just gonna keep on doing the process for this in the shrimp. Do you like the fat on here?
No.
Me neither. It's nasty. Make it all. Okay, so now that I have peeled and deveined our shrimp, we're going to now cut and slice the chicken up. Then after we do that, then we're gonna get our seasonings all measured. Then after we do that, we're gonna cook our shrimp and season our shrimp. And then we're gonna cook and season our chicken. And then we're gonna be back. So tune in. And season, put our seasonings all up in the thing to season our shrimp and all of our chicken. And we're gonna start cooking.
Yay.
Hero.
And go.
I needed a haircut too. But I forgot to call.
Okay, that's a lot.
Chicken base, parsley, and wait.
Okay, chicken base. Okay. And black pepper.
He looked mean. Who was that?
Ronnie, the watch supervisor.
Okay. So now I'm gonna start cooking the noodles now.
His water tastes so good.
You haven't drank the water today, huh?
I did. When I got to the park. I started editing when I was at the park, but I didn't know where to sit down.
You took a pizza to the park?
No, I'm talking about when I went to the park today. When I went to Spring.
Yo, this shit OP.
Put that in there. And now that we got the sauce in there, we're gonna put the shrimp back in there. We're gonna put the chicken in there.
Does he bite?
He bad.
Okay.
It's a little puppy.
We're gonna mix it.
He don't got no teeth, do he?
Hell yeah, he got teeth. He's a pit bull.
Okay. You're just walking in front of the camera.
Okay. Wait, I need some more.
But he always in a cage.
I need some more spaghetti.
That's where we keep him at. Yeah, in my closet. My
A lot of dogs.
Here's there.
Ain't nobody know the clothes in your apartment then.
It's 3 dogs. My mama dog and our 2 dogs.
Oh, I feel bad for my neighbors.
Right?
Because if they be barking and stuff. So, Brittany, have you talked through the video yet? Oh, okay, because I feel So, where's all the sauce and stuff? Look further.
You better eat that shrimp. 10-second rule.
It's on camera, right?
There we go. This should be good, right?
Yeah.
It says 8 o'clock.
Okay, so now we're gonna hit that finishing touch with these artificial parsley flakes. Get into it. Period. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching this video. And I really hope y'all like this video. And hopefully, you know, y'all can watch more of my videos, you know. Heads up, you know, your girl's trying to come up on YouTube, you know. Trying to...
What is your YouTube channel, sir?
Riding with BJ Harris. Go like, comment down below, and subscribe, everything like that. Yeah.
Okay, so now, and I would like to thank my cameraman in the back. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Don't forget, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe on Brittany's channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my little cousin, BJ. His channel name is Riding with BJ.
Harris.
And, yeah, Harris. And my YouTube channel name is going to be Life with Jimmy Susbury. I appreciate you guys for watching. We out.